Hey guys, welcome back. I know I've been slacking a little bit, but thanks for holding on. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken mushroom risotto. Just a couple simple ingredients, a little bit of wine, and that's it. So yeah, follow along. Thanks. So first you want to start off by chopping up some mushrooms. I just use some plain button mushrooms. If you have anything fancier, some shiitake, some oysters, those are always good. I use the basic shallot. If you don't have shallots, a small onion will work too, but you get a little bit better flavor out of this. Some chicken thighs. You can use whatever cut of chicken you want. This is all about keeping the ingredients simple, whatever you have in the fridge. First thing we're going to do is we're going to cook our mushrooms and our chicken. We're going to season with some salt, pepper, and I just happen to have a little bit of pesto. It just adds a little bit of flavor. So basically what we're doing here is getting all the moisture out of the mushrooms. Once that is done, you cook all your chicken. Once all your chicken and mushrooms are cooked, we will be taking all this out using the same pan for our risotto. The thing about risotto, it's not a specific kind of rice. Traditionally, risotto is cooked with arborio rice. Risotto is just the style of cooking as a slow, take your time kind of method of cooking. So once you have your shallots cooked, you want to throw down your arborio rice. It's going to pick up some color. You can season along the way with some salt and pepper. Basically, you want that rice to get a little bit toasted on the bottom. And then slowly, we will be adding our chicken stock to our risotto, cooking it out, and then adding more and more chicken stock over time. And also, guys, I did forget to record me adding the wine when I was cooking the shallots and the risotto in the beginning, so always add your wine, don't forget. By cooking slowly, all the starches from the risotto slowly come out. You add your chicken and your mushrooms, letting cook that a little bit more. Add a little more chicken stock if you need to loosen it up a bit. But risotto, you want it to be a little bit tight. And then you add your fresh grated cheese. It's always good, no matter what you have. I use some basic white cheddar. Add a little bit more pesto. Not necessary to this dish. I just felt like it gave it a little bit more oomph. Some more salt and pepper. And you're ready to plate. I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. Always follow, like, share, subscribe, do all the good things, and enjoy this with a good glass of wine. Till next time, guys.